And we continue to get many such voices, not just from the nation, but globally as well, coming in support of Arnab Goswami. And even as this morning, we are joined by guests to give their point of view on what they have been witnessing and reading into how the arguments have also been set forth in the Bombay High Court. So good morning, Sunaina and Binay Singh ji joining us here on the broadcast. Binay ji, I want to take you through especially the very brilliant observation and the arguments that have been made by Harish Salve, who is batting for Arnab in the Bombay High Court. Today is day 3 when the matter will be taken up at noon, and very stinging arguments that have been made by Mr. Salve highlighting the illegality of the arrest of Arnab Goswami and especially the CJM order. The entire copy which Republic has access asserts the whole matter is completely malafide. Binay ji.
Look, Mr. Harish Salve has made many times, he has made India proud on international platforms. And again, I think it is the biggest case ever where he is representing 130 crores of the Indians again. It's not just a judicial fight, it is an emotional fight, and it's an emotional fight against the tyrants. The tyrants, those who don't believe in this democracy, those who want to demolish the democracy. And I think all the 130 crore people of this country will win today, and the court is going to come up with a very, very wonderful and a straight verdict. And you know, I was very overwhelmed when I heard
Absolutely, we're hoping for the same.
What I want to say that, you know, my heart comes out.
Go on, sir.
That what Jia Khan, she was not a human being. She was not a human being. Why her case was not treated in the same way? They are acting so fast in this case, this Raigarh case. Why they are so slow? Why that case was covered up? Why they are again for so many years? The Maharashtra police, the Mumbai police, they are again in the same line to cover it like it was a suicide case. It was a straight case of murder, and the mother of Jia Khan, she is telling she wants justice, and I urge, I know that
and it is for the truth that Republic has been fighting for, whether be it in all of those cases that you pointed out, Binay ji, even in the Sushant case, and you have fake case after fake case that we continue to be leveled against. Today, even we have a CEO who once again has been summoned. It's been 100 hours in counting, Sunaina, that one by one, our top team members are being summoned by the police, and we are giving full 100% cooperation. But despite that, such illegality and brazen assault happens against our editor-in-chief. But Sunaina, also to point out the extraordinary development that happened in the top court, especially when the Supreme Court lashed out at the attempt to interfere in the course of administration of justice and saying that every right of the citizen, it is if they feel that their right is being infringed or hampered with, they have a right to approach the Supreme Court.
See, I'll tell you one thing. This has been their pattern. They will hound you with FIRs back to back, and all of them are illegal. They won't stand in the court, and they just want you to spend time running after these lawyers and, you know, all the court matters, the legal matters, and they'll try and destruct you. They'll try and break you, but they have forgotten that they are fighting with the people who have courage to speak the truth. They will stand by the truth, and they will not stop. So I can understand what is happening to all of you guys. I have gone through the same process. This will end for sure, and there would be a victory. Today, I hope and I'm praying that HC will give good order and Arnab will be out today itself. And if you have noticed one thing, this is giving them pleasure. They are feeling that they are winning, but they are not actually winning. If you look at the anger in people, they should just look at the streets. People have come out on the streets. Everybody is furious that what is happening to Maharashtra, what is happening to Arnab, the common citizens, is not correct. This is 2020, and they have to stop this. If they want to save their whatever little voter base is, they must stop this atrocity right away.
Absolutely.
Because see, people are not happy. People
well, we also have Shantanu Gupta joining us this morning. But Shantanu, I'll just come back to you in just a bit, because the multiple reactions that are also coming in now, we feel it is important to play that out also for our viewers to see that what's been happening against the Republic Media Network. But it's been the outpouring of support, and we are indeed very much in gratitude with our viewers there, not just in India but in abroad, as we continue to play out that reactions. We'll be back after a very short break, and we'll be returning to all of our guests.